Hi viewer, I welcome you to Rim TV. It is the station where you watch and learn. I will be taking you through business studies. Form 1. The topic it is Introduction to Business Studies. The lesson is lesson number 2. I'm your tutor, Rusi Mudhoni. Welcome. Let us look at our lesson objectives. Today we'll be looking at the importance of studying, importance of business studies in the society. So, by the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to explain, to highlight the importance of business studies in the society. So, you should be able to understand the reason, the purpose for studying business. So, we start. One of the, before we go to the importance, business studies is meant to prepare the learners before informed consumers, producers, and workers in the society. So by the end of this lesson, the learner should be able to be informed on how consumers are supposed to be treated, how the producers and even how the workers are supposed to collaborate in order for us for the business to run well. So let us look at the importance. 1. It assists the learner to acquire knowledge and awareness of business terms, which is necessary when discussing business issues. So now when we talk about assisting the learner to acquire that knowledge, whereby now you start discussing other business issues, you are able to understand the business issues. Number 2, it assists the learner in appreciating the role of business in the society. So you are able to understand what is the role of business, provision of goods and services. Number 3, it equips the learner with basic knowledge, skills, and attitudes for self-development and nation. Let's take on how you're supposed to start a business, how you just look at the opportunity gaps, then the opportunities, how you set the ideas, what you require when you're planning for the starting of that business. By the end of the course, you are able to understand all those concepts. Even when we talk about the operation of business, so within the course, you are able now to understand on how businesses are supposed to be operated. Number 4, it makes the members of society to appreciate the need for good business management practices. So within the course, there is the business management practices that are supposed to be taught to the learner. So by the end of the course, the learner is able to understand what are the importance, what is required for the business management practices to be good. Number 5, it assists individuals to acquire self-discipline and positive attitude towards work. You know that you must work in order for you to get something. You must work in order for you to produce. If at all you don't work for you to produce, then it means that you need monetary value, in order for you to acquire what you need. So that one now creates the self-discipline, positive attitudes towards work. Number 6, it equips learners with ability to promote cooperation in society through trade. You know, you need the retailer in order for you to get that commodity. You cannot produce that commodity and yet you use it. So you have that now cooperation. You must cooperate with the people who are bringing those goods to you. Number 7, it enables the learner understand the role of government in business activities. So in this case, now you get the learner is taught on how government get involved, even when it comes to the branding, even when it comes to the start of the business. You know how government is involved in these activities. Number 8, it equips individuals with ability to understand the role of communication and IT in business management. This is the modernization of the way the business is being carried out. Number 8, it helps the individual to develop positive attitude towards the environment. You are going to appreciate the way the environment is after the course of the business studies. It equips the learner with knowledge and skills to evaluate business performance. This is when now we start looking at the accounting, we start evaluating the business that is done in business studies. Number 10, it helps learners to develop various interaction abilities. That is acquiring, inquiry, critical thinking, analyzing, interpretation, rational judgment, innovation, and also the creativity. Number 11, it creates a strong foundation for further education and training in business and other related fields. Number 12, it enables one to understand and appreciate the basic economic issues that affect the society, like the changing prices of goods and services. You are able to appreciate that. Why today the price is low and tomorrow the prices are high. Number 13, it enables the learner to acquire skills for wise purchasing and selling of goods and services. Having that as importance, you can have this activity, discuss ways in which business studies is important to the community. For reference, you can visit the KRB 2011 Inventor Secondary Business Student Book 1, that edition. If at all you have any question, you can get us through the SMS. You can also get us from the YouTube. You can get us from the Facebook. You can also get us from the Twitter. Stay tuned.